Okay, this is going to be checkpoint number 5. Checkpoint number 5, and that is on page 993. And this is the exact same thing we just did, except now it's in summation notation. So it's 8. Then this little guy, that's sigma, and then I equals 1. And the function is 2 times 3 to the I. So a pretty easy one. Remember, in order to do the summation, we need to use our formula that we established earlier. Sn is equal to A1 times 1 minus R to the nth divided by 1 minus R. So from this, we need the first term, R and N. Well, we have R and N essentially given to us, and we need A1. We get A1 by plugging in 1. So it's 2 times 3 to the 1. 3 to the 1 is 3, times 2 is 6. So that's our first term. To find our second term, which will just confirm what R is for us, we would just plug in I as 2, right? So 2 times 3 squared, and that would give us A2, which would be 3 squared is 9, and 9 times 2 is 18. So if the first term is 6 and the next term is 18, that means R has to be 3, because that's what we multiplied by to get the next term. It's always going to be that term that has the exponent on it. So now we have everything we need. We are looking for the sum, because that's what this word means, from the first 8 terms, 1 to 8. Pretty basic. So S8 is going to equal A1, which we established was 6, times 1 minus, and then R to the n. So that's 3 to the n, which is 8. We solve that, and that's over 1 minus R, which is over 1 minus 3. And so our 8th partial sum is just going to be done in the calculator. 6 times 1 minus 3 to the 8th power divided by 1 minus 3. You can literally type it in exactly as you read it, and you get 19,680. So pretty basic. Again, you could always write out the first 8 terms and add them together, but I would trust the fact that this is going to work. The formulas work. They exist for a reason. So make sure you use them.